Welcome back to Superstarglam. Today's video is this inspired look by the Vmas Doja Cat look. She actually had several looks and many wardrobe changes, but this was one of them that I was actually interested to recreate. And if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I kind of already worked on my eyebrows. I carved them out to kind of go straight out, and I'm trying to cover it up with concealer and powder. I don't know if that's working, but I'm kind of trying to simulate the same eyebrows that Doja Cat had on this look. As soon as I saw her look, I really wanted to recreate her look because I had been eyeing the purple shades from the Luis Torres and the Beauty Creations palette, this row right here, and I feel it's gonna be the perfect shade, especially this dual chrome right here. It has a shift of blue, which is I think what her topper has on the eyelid. So let's just get started. I'm gonna go in with the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. It's a full coverage eyeshadow base. I'm gonna use this to cover the entire lid. That way the colors will be way more vibrant. And I don't know about this product, but hopefully it also helps to camouflage this tail I have going on here. Now just taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to tap in this product all over my lid. I feel like you can see the hair on this side versus this side. I'm gonna take a setting powder and set this brow bone. I feel like on this side, the product has lifted. Oh my god, am I about to shave my freaking eyebrows? Okay, I think I am gonna shave that part because I can't. Okay, so we got that out of the way. We're gonna start off with a crease color from the palette. It's called Oaxaca. This is kind of what's going to be peeking through. Maybe even the other color, Barcelona. It has like a peachy tone, and in her look, what peeks through is kind of like a pinky color. Okay, so in this palette, the darkest purple is almost like I would call it like grape shade, and her majority, like a lid, is more of like a violet purple. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to mix in this color, this blue from the palette, with this color to give me that bright violet shade. So this might look scary at first, but don't worry, it'll come together eventually. Now taking the same brush, I'm gonna go dip into Unstoppable. Look how beautiful those two blend out together. So now on a blending brush, this one is the Morphe M433. I'm gonna take that shade Unstoppable, and I'm actually going to just take that and work around the perimeter of the base that we just worked on. This is where I really want that shade to stand out. I'm gonna take that shade again, Barcelona, in that fluffy brush, and I'm gonna work on the outer just to, again, help blend and blow out the edges. Yeah, this is so nice. I'm going to go back to the blue, and I'm gonna bring it in just a tad higher. Going back to the blending brush and the shade Unstoppable, and once again reinforce that purple. Okay, and now for that topper. Okay, I'm going to wet my brush. I'm gonna use Fix Plus, that shade. It's called Leo times 2. Okay, just because I want a little bit more dimension, I'm gonna tap into a little bit of the black shade Bavado with a little bit of the blue just to add dimension. Going back with that crease color, I'm not adding any more product. I'm just going in, trying to blend out those edges. And then back with that fluffy brush to just further blend it out. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my face so we can continue with the bottom portion of the eye and finish this look. So with the bottom lash line, I'm going to do the same step, going with the blue shade 1989, and then over top of that, Unstoppable. I'm just gonna keep it really, really close to the lash line. Actually, I know I already did the blue, but I'm actually gonna go in with the black first. It's gonna be like in layers, so I'm gonna put the black just to deepen the lash line. So it's gonna be right at the edge of the lash line. Then the next shade will be the blue, and then over top of that will be the purple to give that same shade of like violet purple, and then just blend it out after that. So I'm only gonna keep it 3/4 of the way. I'm wiping it down and then again going in with the blue. And the blue, I am bringing it all the way to the inner part. Then I'm gonna wipe it again and go in with Unstoppable. I'm gonna take a very small brush. This is a rounded brush from Morphe E36. And I'm gonna take this shade Barcelona, which is the shade that we use to blend out. And so I'm very lightly gonna go over the border. And I'm also using this to connect to the top. Actually, I just checked on her picture and it is blown out a lot. So I guess we're gonna go for it. With the previous detailed brush that I had used, I did wipe it down. It did have some black in it. I don't want to go in with any additional black. I'm going to go in again and kind of bring that shade, mixing the blue shade with the purple shade down to the bottom. Okay, going back to that fluffy brush, I'm just again going over the edges. Now doing the same thing on the other eye. Okay, I'm pretty sure her waterline is darkened as well, so I'm going in with this Makeup Forever Aqua Eyes, but it's just a black liner. Okay, and then I'm going to take Leo times 2 and once again wet my brush, and I'm going to apply this to the inner portion. So the lashes were pretty natural, wispy, but they were long, and I don't really have anything like that, so I'm just going to go in. I believe the ones I have are from Ardell, and I'm taking the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. This also darkens the lash line. She does not have a wing liner, so I'm just taking it and follow the lash line. Okay, I did forget to apply mascara, so I will do it now. The mascara I'm using for that is the Wet n Wild Big Pop-Up mascara. I'll also apply mascara to the lower lash line. Okay, I can't forget the inner corner, and this one is kind of hard because I feel like the same shade that was used as the topper is kind of what's used, but then it also kind of looks pinkish. So I'm going to try the both shades that are in this palette, the the Leo times 2, and then right next to it is a pink one, Sandra. I'm gonna go in with Leo. Oh yeah, that's definitely super similar. I'm definitely interested to find out who the makeup artist was and what products they used, because I don't know, this was like meant to be using this palette. I feel like I nailed it. Maybe just the topper might have been a little less blue, but other than that, I think it was pretty spot on. I mean, who knows, maybe it was like a mix of the pink. I'm gonna apply that pink on top of this one, see what we get. Okay, I don't think that they went in with highlight, but I am going to take just a little bit. And then for the lips was super trendy. It was like a nude lip with a dark lip liner. That's what I'm gonna do. This lip liner is the NYX Suede matte lip liner in the shade Downtown Beauty. For the color, I'm gonna take this. This is a L'Oreal, what is this called? L'Oreal Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Lavender Honey. And what I liked about this and what is similar to her lip is that it is a cool tone nude, and that's what this one is for me. And I'll be back with the final look. So this is the completed look. Okay, so I did go ahead and change to this jacket. I know it's not purple. She was wearing a purple top, but I apparently don't own a purple top. So I figured this was the next best thing, burgundy jacket. So yeah, let me know what you think. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I pretty much nailed that look, and it just so happened that it was a coincidence that I was able to create this look using the Luis Torres and Beauty Creations collab palette that I recently got. So yeah, it worked out perfectly. Let me know your thoughts down below. If there's any other looks you'd like me to recreate, also put that down in the comment section. All the products that I used today, will also link them down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already. But before you leave, please remember one thing. Beauty isn't just a reflection in the mirror. It's looking within our superstar glam to tap into our inner self-confidence that breeds beauty. And with that, I'll see you next time. Bye.